They're adorable, they're fluffy, and they are impossible to get. And today, I'm sharing the complete playbook on how to score a Labubu directly from Pop Mart. So grab a notebook and let's get you a Labubu. Step 1. Create your accounts. Go to the official Pop Mart website and create an account. Do the same for the TikTok app if you plan on trying the live sales. Step 2. Pre-fill everything. And I mean everything. Go into your account settings on both platforms and enter your shipping address and your payment information. Whether it's your credit card or PayPal, make sure it's saved and ready to go. Okay, account is ready? You're logged in? Good. Now let's move on to the best and most reliable way to get a drop, the website Restock. This is your best bet for getting a Labubu at retail price. Now, here's the first secret that most people get wrong. Pop Mart restocks their website on Thursdays. Most people will tell you the drop happens at 10 p.m. Eastern Time. They are wrong. If you wait until 10 p.m., you are already too late. The real magic starts at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. They begin releasing the plushies in small waves between 9:30 and 9:40 p.m. This is your window. By 10 p.m., the site is crashing and most of the good stuff is gone. So, here's the game plan minute by minute. At 9:25 p.m. Eastern, you are on the Pop Mart website, logged into your account, and on the Labubu product page. At 9:28 p.m. Eastern, you start refreshing. Now, be cool. Don't go crazy and smash the refresh button 100 times a second. If you do, the website will think you're a bot and might temporarily block you. Just a gentle, steady refresh every few seconds. At 9:30 p.m. Eastern showtime, the items will start to load. This is where you need to be fast. I call this the two-thumb attack. You need both thumbs ready. One thumb is for scrolling and refreshing. The other thumb should be hovering right where the Add to Cart or Buy Now button will appear. Now for a pro move. If you want to extend that timer, add the item to your cart and then click to the checkout page. The site will usually give you a 15-minute timer to complete your purchase. This can give you time to go back and try to score a second one. And remember, if you click on a box and it says it's already reserved, move on. Don't go back. That box is gone. Keep scrolling and keep clicking on the next one available. All right, are you feeling brave? Let's talk about what I call the Hunger Games of Labubu hunting, the TikTok live sale. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is the hardest method, and you're competing against thousands of other people in real time. Pop Mart usually goes live on TikTok every night around 7 p.m. Eastern, but there's no set schedule for when they drop Labubus. It could be at the beginning, in the middle, or not at all. It's random. From my experience, they drop something about every 30 to 60 minutes. Here's how you can gain an edge. First, practice. Do not make a Labubu drop your first time trying to buy something on a TikTok live. Join a live sale a day or two before and practice the entire process on a cheap keychain or something you don't care about. Get that muscle memory down for where the buttons are. Second, and this is the most important tip, the countdown is a lie. The host will say, "Okay guys, we're dropping the Labubu in 1 minute," and they'll start a countdown. 5, 4, 3, do not wait for go. The buy button will appear on your screen when they say 3 or 4. The absolute second you see that button pop up, you need to click it and check out. Third, the payment trap. A lot of people think switching to a credit card is faster. In my experience, it's not. TikTok Shop often defaults to Apple Pay or Google Pay. Fumbling to switch payment methods wastes half a second. Use whatever is fastest and requires the fewest clicks. And finally, don't celebrate until you see the final order confirmed page. Until you see that, you're still in the fight. So there you have it. That is the complete playbook. Let me know in the comments which one you're hunting for. And if you score one using these tips, you have to come back and tell us about it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more collecting guides. Good luck and happy hunting!